unboxing. Original soap. This is the original soap. Unboxing this soap, but there's a card inside. Let's open it up. This failed. This is thinking call. You waited to do it. I want the perfect one at this one. Unboxing. Oh, just the smallest? Why the smallest? This is stink. This time, we're going to get the perfect, another Ferrari. So let's open it up. Okay. Oh my God! It's another Ferrari. Wow! This is so good. Like and subscribe at this video. Today we're going to get another prize of another Ferrari. So we got 2 left and we're going to get it. Oh my God. Not the Ferrari. Just look at this. It's just only like this. Why am like this? This looks like what is this? A remote? I don't know, but we're wasting our money. Let's buy it again. So wait, I'll buy more. Today, we're going to get another one of the tricks. So, let's open it up. So let's say we have the perfect Ferrari in this one. So because this looks like a toy soap, but there's a card inside. Let's open it up. Alright. Oh! Why? It's not a Ferrari. Just look at this. It's this another car. Why I have this. This is not the best thing ever. I hate this life. Today we're going to have the day tomorrow, and let's see we'll have the longest Ferrari. So we have 2 left and I want another one. Okay. Oh, I saw something. What is inside? What? Another one! Yes! We got it now! We got 3 of them and we're so excited to get more toys right now. And I'm so happy to join. Like and subscribe! Today we're going to get another trick of this. So we're going to get the one. I want only 7 Ferraris and let's go it. Oh, just another remote. Why there's another remote here? Why? Oh, I can't. I'm wasting all my money. Let's get more money to tricks. So like and subscribe. Thank you guys for getting money in this trick. So I have 30,000 money, and these costs and my cost collection are so intense. So I will buy more, only just one, and then more tricks. So like and subscribe. So today we're going to have more Ferraris and we're going to open this up. So let's see if this is a Ferrari. I love them. What? Oh my god! Another one. It's the car! Yes! Oh my god, I'm so really excited. So I'll buy more. So today we're going to get another Ferrari and we're going to buy it. But this is $100. So let's open it up. Oh, why? Why this is not the good? Just only another car? Like this. This is not the best thing ever. I'll buy more. So today we have ran out of another cars and tricks and I want to buy more. So today we're just buy more things. So let's do it. So today we're in a market. So let's buy more. So let's buy them. So here we go. We got it right now. So let's go in our home. So let's see if this is a real Ferrari. So let's open it up. Just 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh my god! Look at this! This is so powerful. We got another one! Yes! So, like and subscribe to this video now. So today we're in the mart right now, and today let's buy some more cars. So let's do it. We have it right now and we're going to the home right now. Let's go in our home. So let's do it. Okay, we're getting right and we're in home. So today we're going to open it up and I'm so really excited right now. Let's open it up. We're spending all this money. We're wasting our money. It's just another remote. So like and subscribe and I will buy more toy cars. So like and subscribe.